Hi there, I'm Dennis, and today we're at the Bethel Cemetery. Bethel Cemetery is located east of Chatham, along what is known as River Line. This cemetery here is situated on a hill overlooking the Thames River. The actual history of where we are right now goes back quite a long time to the first settlers here in the Chatham-Kent area who came along the Thames River and were allocated lots in the late 1700s to build farms and to settle the area. One family down closer to the river, the Fields family, portioned off a section of their property for a church, and a cemetery and a church were built close to the river. But they didn't realize that there was extensive flooding periodically. So the church and the cemetery was moved up to where we are now. Down closer to the river, to the road, is the actual church that was built in 1867, the same year that Canada became a country. When the church was built, it was built on property that was owned by the Patterson and the Sifton family. They donated the land that we're on right now for the church and for the cemetery. People who attended the church, it was known as the Wesleyan Methodist New Connection Church. People who attended that church, if they gave $10, they were given a plot here in the cemetery. So that is how this came into being. The church was called Bethel, which in the Hebrew language means house of God. And from 1867 on, folks have used the church and then have used this cemetery to bury their family members. Right now, the legacy of this cemetery is such that it is only designated and used for descendants of what is known as the Bethel community.